Hey there, ladies and gents. So today I'm coming to you with a Taste Test Wednesday for the Kit Kat Duo's Strawberry Dark Chocolate.
It smells like strawberry.
Just bite. It's all melty, so we're gonna be making a mess of each. It's not gonna be very neat, I should say. Thoughts?
I like it. But I like strawberries and chocolates, so.
Yeah, it's very very melty. I don't usually am not this messy, but because it's melted a little bit. Yeah, I like it too.
Would you buy it again? Yes.
I love the mint and dark chocolate one. I did a video. I've already done the mint and dark chocolate, and I've already done the mocha and dark chocolate ones.
This one's good.
This one's good. This is really good. It would be even better if it was cold and not melty, but it's melty, and I'm not gonna wait and get it home and put it in to do another taste test. But would I buy this again? Yes.
Yeah.
Would I suggest it for a Mother's Day gift? Yes. Anyway, I would give it a 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think my taste buds are maturing, so it's kind of like, would I give this to a little kid? Most likely not. They probably wouldn't